There it is. My new Behemoth X-Carve Pro. Now we can get back to work. Inventables states you don't have to unpackage everything like I just did here, because it comes packaged very well to start with, but it comes packaged in the order you need to assemble it. I like to get things out just to take a look at what we've got to start with. Once again, very impressively packaged, and all the tools you need to assemble it. I've never bought a machine that came with the tools to assemble it. So good on Inventables for making it simple and packaging everything for you. And this is where the X-Carve Pro is going. Built this custom bench for it. That way I take up less of a footprint in my shop. And my old machine is on top. So once again, takes up very little footprint in the shop, keeps everything centrally located. And of course it's on wheels. So if anything gets in the way or I need to adjust the space, unlock them and roll it around. Just wanted to show you the back of this mobile bench. So he made steps from a platform to get up there to the old machine so it can be operating at the same time.